הרחמים, שוכן במרומים, המצא מנוחה נכונה תחת כנפי השכינה, במעלות קדושים וטהורים, כזוהר הרקיע, מזהירים את נשמות כל אחינו בני ארצנו, אנשים, נשים וטף, שנהרגו, שנשרפו, שנגלו, ונחנקו מפני גזענות ושנאת חינם, בגן עדן תהי מנוחתם, ענה בעל הרחמים הסתירם, בסתר כנפיו לעולמים, וצרור בצרור החיים את נשמותיהם. אדוני הוא נחלתם, וינוחו בשלום על משכבותיהם, ונאמר Amen.
Compassionate One, find perfect rest beneath the sheltering wings of the Shekhinah, among the holy and the pure who shine with the light of the heavens. For the souls of our brothers and sisters, our neighbors, for the men, the women, and children who have been killed, burned, and lynched because of racism and hatred. May the Garden of Eden be their resting place. Please, Compassionate One, keep them in the shelter of your wings for eternity and bind their spirits in the bond of life. One is their inheritance. May they rest in shalom in their sleep. Let us say, Amen. At this part, we're concluding some of the liturgical part of the service. And now, what I want us to do is to emulate the book of Joshua. Does anyone remember what happens in the book of Joshua when they're trying to surround the city of Jericho? I knew that. They walk around in the creepiest fashion 7 times without saying anything around the city walls. And then there's a great blow of the shofar, and then the walls crumble down. The structures are destroyed. And I think if we can symbolically do that, I can't promise we'll be quiet, but I can promise we can walk around this stupid building and all that it stands for. Does anybody want to join me in this walk?
Yeah. Yes.
Guys, no, it's not call and response. Fair thing. It's our duty to win.